Welcome to Don Cuco.
From the moment Augusto Cuco Salazar Sr. stepped off of the plane from Merida, Yucatan, with nothing but a suitcase, a passport, and $100 in his pocket, he dreamed of sharing his grandmother's recipes with America. Fast forward to 1969, and that dream became the legendary Don Cuco's, a Southern California institution that's been serving up authentic Mexican comfort food for over 5 decades. Today, we're diving into the crispy, cheesy, margarita-soaked world of Don Cuco's, where every bite tells the story of Mexican culinary tradition and every dish is a love letter to the flavors of Yucatan. Picture this. You're working 2 jobs, saving every penny, with nothing but determination and a collection of family recipes passed down through generations. That was Augusto Cuco Salazar Sr.'s reality when he first arrived in the United States from the Gulf city of Merida, Yucatan. For years, he hustled, dreamed, and saved until opportunity knocked. In 1969, he bought a small beer lounge, but his vision was bigger. When the property next door went up for sale, Cuco made a bold move. He sold his bar, bought the property, and opened the first Don Cuco in Toluca Lake, California. What started as one man's American dream has blossomed into a Southern California Mexican dining institution with multiple locations, including the beloved Burbank spots on Orange Grove Avenue and Riverside Drive. The secret to Don Cuco's longevity isn't just the food, it's the unwavering commitment to authenticity, excellent service, and those time-honored family recipes from Yucatan that have remained unchanged for over half a century. Walking into any Don Cuco location feels like stepping into someone's warm, welcoming home, complete with red lights, red booths, wooden railings, and the most incredible cactus-shaped chandeliers you'll ever see.
Welcome to Don Cuco.
Awesome.
The atmosphere is pure magic. Imagine sitting on the front porch of a traditional Mexican hacienda with colorful tile pictures adorning the walls, sombreros hanging as decorations, and that distinctive fake clay tile roof overhead that makes every booth feel like its own private sanctuary. During the holidays, the already vibrant space transforms into a winter wonderland with tinsel and fake snow blending seamlessly with the year-round Mexican decor. It's this attention to ambiance combined with consistency and exceptional food that has kept locals coming back generation after generation. Let's talk about the dish that converts first-time visitors into lifelong devotees. Don Cuco's legendary crispy flautas. These aren't your average taquitos. They're golden cylinders of perfection that shatter at every bite, revealing tender seasoned meat that's been slow cooked to achieve that perfect balance of flavor and texture. The secret lies in the traditional preparation method that hasn't changed since 1969. Each flauta is hand-rolled using fresh corn tortillas, stuffed with choice of proteins that have been marinated in Yucatanian spices, then fried to that coveted golden brown crispiness that creates an audible crunch with every bite. What sets Don Cuco's flautas apart is the attention to contrast and complement. The crispy exterior gives way to succulent tender meat inside, while the accompanying fresh guacamole, tangy sour cream, and house-made salsa provide cooling elements that balance the richness. The presentation is as impressive as the taste. These beauties arrive standing tall on your plate like edible skyscrapers garnished with fresh lettuce, diced tomatoes, and a sprinkle of queso fresco that adds the perfect finishing touch. Regular customers often describe the experience as a symphony of textures and flavors that represents everything that authentic Mexican cuisine should be. If you want to experience Don Cuco's at its most spectacular, you absolutely must order their massive Molcajete, a sizzling, bubbling, volcanic rock bowl that arrives at your table like a scene from a Mexican cookbook cover. This isn't just a meal, it's dinner theater at its finest. The traditional volcanic stone bowl, heated to perfection, creates that iconic sizzling sound as your choice of meats, whether it's tender carne asada, succulent chicken, or perfectly seasoned shrimp, continues cooking right before your eyes. The Molcajete experience begins the moment your server approaches your table carrying this impressive presentation. Steam rises dramatically from the heated stone, carrying with it its intoxicating aromas with grilled meats, sautéed peppers, onions, and those signature Yucatanian spices that have been the restaurant's secret weapon for decades. The generous portions ensure this dish easily serves two people, making it perfect for sharing and creating those Instagram-worthy moments that capture both the visual spectacle and the abundance that defines Don Cuco's approach to hospitality.
Combination player. Molcajete.
What's in the molcajete?
Carne asada. Garlic shrimp. Chicken breast. And an assortment of other foods.
The generous portions ensure this dish easily serves two people, making it perfect for sharing and creating those Instagram-worthy moments that capture both the visual spectacle and the abundance that defines Don Cuco's approach to hospitality. But what makes this molcajete truly special is how it transformed the dining experience into something communal and celebratory. The continued cooking action means every bite is perfectly hot while the stone bowl itself becomes part of the flavor profile, imparting subtle mineral notes that you simply can't replicate with regular cookware. Accompanied by fresh tortillas, Mexican rice, refried beans, and all the traditional Mexican fixings, the molcajete represents the very essence of Mexican comfort food, bold, generous, and designed to bring people together around the table. Don Cuco's Carne asada combination plate represents the gold standard of Mexican comfort food, showcasing why this dish has become synonymous with authentic Mexican flavor and cuisine. The star of the show is their perfectly grilled carne asada, tender, juicy beef that's been marinated in a secret blend of citrus spices and the herbs that reflects the restaurant's Yucatanian roots. The meat arrives with those coveted grill marks that indicate proper technique while maintaining the ideal balance between caramelized exterior and pink, juicy interior. What elevates this combination plate from good to extraordinary is the thoughtful composition of accompaniments that create a complete, satisfying meal. The Spanish rice, while containing chicken stock for added depth for flavor, provides the perfect neutral base that absorbs the meat's flavorful juices. The refried beans, confirmed to be completely vegetarian and lard-free, offer a creamy richness that complements the beef's bold flavors. Fresh guacamole, pico de gallo, and warm flour tortillas complete the ensemble, allowing diners to create their own perfect bite combinations. Regular customers consistently praise this dish for its generous portions and consistent quality. The carne asada arrives sliced and ready to eat, whether you prefer to enjoy it straight or build your own tacos with provided tortillas. The accompanying grilled onions and jalapenos add smoky heat for those who want to kick up the spice level, while the fresh lime wedges provide that essential acidic brightness that cuts through the richness and elevates every flavor on the plate. In an era where health-conscious dining has become increasingly important, Don Cuco's Skinny Margarita represents that perfect balance between indulgence and mindful consumption. This isn't just a marketing gimmick. It's a carefully crafted cocktail that proves you don't have to sacrifice flavor for fewer calories. Made with premium tequila, fresh lime juice, and natural sweeteners instead of heavy simple syrups, this margarita delivers all the bright citrusy punch you expect from the classic cocktail while keeping the calorie count in check. What makes Don Cuco's Skinny Margarita particularly noteworthy is their commitment to using fresh ingredients and proper technique. The drink arrives perfectly balanced with the tequila's agave notes complementing rather than overpowering the fresh lime's tartness. The rim is lightly salted with coarse sea salt that enhances rather than dominates each sip, while the presentation in a traditional margarita glass maintains the authentic Mexican cantina experience that defines the Don Cuco's brand. Don Cuco's success story extends far beyond great food, from Augusto Cuco Salazar Sr.'s humble beginnings to today's multi-location operation. The restaurant has maintained its commitment to those original family recipes from Yucatan while adapting to modern tastes and dietary preferences. The dining experience at Don Cuco's reflects values that have been increasingly rare in today's fast-paced restaurant industry. Perhaps most importantly, Don Cuco's represents the beautiful intersection of Mexican culinary tradition with American opportunity. While customers describe dishes like the beans and rice as cooked to perfection and the carne asada burrito as so good, they're experiencing the culmination of 55 years of refinement and dedication. This is food that honors its Mexican heritage while embracing the diverse palates of Southern California, creating a dining experience that feels both authentically traditional and satisfyingly familiar. Don Cuco's isn't just serving Mexican food, it's preserving and sharing a piece of Mexican culture that spans from the ancient Mayan city of Mérida to the heart of modern Los Angeles. Every crispy flauta tells the story of traditional cooking techniques passed down through generations, while every sizzling molcajete represents the communal spirit that defines Mexican dining culture. The perfectly grilled carne asada combination showcases the restaurant's mastery of both flavor and presentation. And the Skinny Margarita proves that innovation and tradition can coexist beautifully. Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video.